In this video, we'll show you how to change the oil pressure switch on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. Now, you need to remove the plastic cover from the mudguard on the driver's side. Using a fork, remove the 4 plastic cover retaining rivets. Then remove it. You can now see the oil pressure switch. Disconnect the oil pressure switch. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then, using a 27mm wrench, unscrew the oil pressure switch. Remove the pressure switch. You can order the oil pressure switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the oil pressure switch. Then screw it back on, initially by hand. Finish tightening using the wrench. Reconnect the oil pressure switch. Replace the plastic cover. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheel properly. Operation complete.